Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are making cards. So many cards. You can give it to your friends, your father, your mother. You can give it to anybody. Okay, now we're gonna make a rainbow card coming out of your hand.
So how we are doing it is you have to trace your hands.
Yeah.
You can trace one hand or you can trace both hands. What we can do is we can just fold this sheet.
That's a good idea.
Okay.
That way we'll get it done quicker.
And we trace one hand. Okay. So
Yeah.
this is how
It turned out.
now we will just do some fine tuning and then we will
Cut it out.
use the scissors to cut it.
Okay. 1 point.
Okay.
Now it's cut and a little bit of magic. Now this. And now this.
So we will arrange it like this, thumbs outside, and we will add a rainbow in between. So
And then
it's
it
a rainbow. So we are going to stick it with a
Stick it with
tape.
the tape.
Okay.
You could use glue.
We can use glue too, but it will take a lot of time. Glue.
The tape.
Stick the tape here.
Let me do the down one.
Wait. Let me see where it has to go. Let me see.
Yeah.
We should put both of them here and no. Like this. Okay.
Oh,
So
Mama, there's a little
this is it's okay. So this is how it.
turned out, but
What we can do is we can draw the rainbow here and then we can
you do it.
close it something like this
Yeah.
and put it in an envelope, and when you give it to somebody they will open it like this and it will be a rainbow.
Now I'm gonna make a pull me up card. Let's see how designs I want it to be.
So you can choose a color of your choice. Choose one. It's a very simple card. You just have to do this and this. So it becomes an envelope. But before you make this envelope, you have to make the pull me up thing. Okay. So again we will make. You want to make candy?
Yeah, candy.
Okay, let's make a candy. But we'll have to make two candies because one candy will be small and it will not be able to pull out. So we will make two candies. Okay? And how
That
will
is
we
not
make
candy
two
shape.
I will make it like a candy.
One of them is a lollipop. You can make one a lollipop.
Does it look like a candy to you now?
A little.
Yeah.
Now the next one is going to look like a candy. Now it looks like a candy.
Now
But
it
what
looks
about
like a, now we are going to cut it. Okay, so our candies are ready. We'll just have to color them a bit and we will write some messages on them. Okay? Okay, so this will be our card. So this will be our pull out thing, and we will now fold it. Okay, so what we will do is now we are going to add something to it which can be used to pull. Okay, so I am going to be using this card which I already have. We just need a small thing, so we will
Do
a
what? Pull me. Let's write pull me.
we will write pull me up. We will stick it here with the tape. Okay, it is going to be
Can I
inside,
try?
and then
Can I try it?
you can try it.
Okay. Pull me up. Okay. Oh.
And here, and then we just
Mama, first you have to stick that.
no, we don't stick that. If we stick it, it will not come out. Okay,
You want to
don't put this in. Okay, otherwise it will also get stuck. And then you put it on, put it
Don't put what
under a heavy object. Okay, so what I will do is I will just put it aside and let it dry.
Oh wow,
Okay,
looks
but
like
it will be
chair.
something like, so we will show it once it is done, or you want to show it now?
Let's show it when it's done.
Okay then.
So guys, the next card you were making is just perfect to give to your father, your brother, or your grandfather. So let's start. How do we
Okay,
make
so how do we make it?
it?
Is
Start it.
we will make
That's
a
good.
shirt. We will make a shirt. We will fold this card like this. So now we will make a collar. So we will divide this in 3 parts. Now we have to draw a line just below it, like
What?
so.
So okay.
7 and then
And then
7.
7.
Okay, and we will cut it like okay, it's done.
Done.
So now it will be like a
Like that.
collar. Okay, so now
We just
it just looks like this. Okay, now we will add a tie on it. So here's our tie, and we are going to stick it with a glue like
Slung. It's so long.
so.
Oh, let me see.
And our card will look something like
This.
this.
So now
Is it good?
let's write.
Wait. So we can write anything here, and we can also write things inside.
That was magic.
Need one dark and one light color
Light.
sheet. And what we are doing is folding it like this, and then again folding it like this, and folding it back.
Now,
Okay.
now the triangle. Now we need a triangle.
No triangle, we'll just add some lines of 1 centimeter each. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.
Wake up in the morning.
So all our lines are done now, and we will cut all on these lines. Okay. Okay?
Yeah.
And that is very easy to do.
Yeah, but remember, cut the right line. Cut one. Now, since we've got it all ready, what do we do?
So now we have cut out 1/4 thin strip of pink paper, and we have cut out all these lines we drew. So we have to do, yeah.
The bag is like a neat toy.
So we have to do one here, one here. You want to do it? One here, one here.
Yeah.
There, there. Take yours. This one. First one, the first one only. This one. Yours.
Next.
Yes. And here. Okay, so now what we will do is we will put this in.
Side. Oh man. I did it!
Yes. Did it one. Now keep doing in all of them. That is ready. It looks something like this. We have added the sheets in everything, and now the card has some.
Magic!
So one, it opens like
Like
this.
this.
You can write things here.
Yeah.
It's like that, and then if you flip it over, it opens from
From here.
here too. There can be some hidden messages here.
Yay! Here's our pull-out card. You remember we put for drawing. So let's see. It says pull out. It says I miss you too much. Now we'll be trying some flowing chalk prints. So you'll need a base for water, some colorful chalks, and a scraper, and of course a blank piece of paper. No colored paper allowed. Scratch.
The red one.
Okay, be careful.
We will try it.
Okay.
Like. And we have a very pretty paper. And after it dries up, we can draw or write messages on it. And this can be a very good envelope or a card. Right?
चलो
No more laughing. No more laughing. No more laughing. Do-do-do-do-do-do.